Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Alice Tarot, a limited edition tarot deck that is created by independent creator Tarot with Nina. So this retails in USD for $169.64 in the US, and it comes with everything that you see here. Of course, everything will be linked in the description box below, as well as in the pinned comment by me. That way you can go directly to it, and if you want to check it out, you can go ahead and do so. So thank you so much to Tarot with Nina for sending this my way. I am a huge Alice in Wonderland fan, and so this is based on the 1800s Lewis Carroll imagery and story. So it comes with this box here. You can actually go ahead and choose your own number if you want to, your specific edition, and that will show up at the bottom of the box here. So mine is limited edition 103, and it has the Tarot with Nina. Like, what a cute concept. What a wonderful keepsake. And then look at the tarot pouch here. It is an embroidered white rabbit. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then we have the little tassels to close it as well. All right. So inside we have a little guidebook here. I do believe this is in Russian, so I'm not going to be able to read you the guidebook here because I am not fluent, but if you do want to purchase this, you can use like Google Translate, and I'm sure it will be fine. And then we do have the certificate of authenticity here. Like, how cute is that? So this is copy number 103. Oh, I love this. Look at the back. Gold foil. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm going to undo the plastic. I'll be right back. Okay, we have gold foiling. There's that back again. Oh, that's so pretty. It is a linen cardstock. And I just want to throw it out here. It will not be reprinted. So if you want this, grab it now. Oh, let me show you the cardstock here. Oh, it's nice. It's like medium thickness. Very flexible, but it's snapping back. I really like that. Okay. Yeah, that linen, very nice. Okay, here we go. And no AI was used in its creation. I made sure to ask. They just did some touch-ups on the like Photoshop situation. And with any type of foil-edged card, just be careful with them when you're separating them the first time out, because they will stick together and we don't want to rip the cards. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Alice in Wonderland reminds me of spring. It's just such a springtime vibe for me. Some of them are out of order. That's okay. We're going to go with it. They're not numbered for the major arcana. You know what? Let me go through and order them, and then that way I'll break up the foil as well. I'll be right back. Okay, starting back with the High Priestess. Empress, and the Emperor. This is very nostalgic for me. I love it so far. And what a great Hierophant. No borders, which allows the artwork to shine through. Oh my goodness. Fun. Oh, is this the Jabberwocky? Faces and the flowers. I'm trying to remember the actual Lewis Carroll stories, because I know that the versions that we're used to don't include everything that we're seeing in the pictures. Oh. All right, minor arcana now. We're in the swords. It's definitely got the intuitive hits. It makes sense for me with the imagery, and then as well as the story that I can recall, it does make sense. Like a squabble. Oh my goodness, the croquet. Oh, I love it. Wolverson the carpenter. This guy, man, the Cheshire Cat. What a trickster, if ever there was a trickster. Now I gotta reread the two books that I know of. I believe I have them around here somewhere. Because I remember a lot of these illustrations growing up. Pentacles. Oh yeah, trying to get in the mirror. Love the Looking Glass. That's what the second one was. Alice in the Looking Glass. Oh, Dinah being helpful here. How fun. The oysters. Oh, the small little door. Wow. Oh, the dodo. Quick movement there. Well, all right, let's see how it shuffles. Oh, my hands. All right, let's go. Oop. It is a rather large deck, but I like that. I like that you can see the art on a big deck. But let me see if I can shuffle side by side like I like to with these larger. Oh, yeah. So that would be how I would go about doing it. Just doing this side by side. Okay, overhand, let's see. Oh, yep. We can do overhand. All right, let's get a card to see if I can do Google Translate real fast for you. Okay, with 5 of Swords. Okay, I was totally able to do that with no problem using Google Translate. It works fine. I'll insert the meaning here. It's just a picture. All in all, this is gorgeously done. The quality is wonderful. I am over the moon with how this turned out. It is so fun, so nostalgic. It was wonderfully curated in a way that makes sense for tarot. And even if you didn't use Google Translate for this, you can still use a Rider-Waite-Smith, a tarot reference book in order to understand what's going on. It's just so well thought out. I'm really happy with it. I think that having a limited edition run is also a really good idea. So if you want it, snag it now. And also, if you don't want the box here, there's an inexpensive version bundle as well to check out. So again, I will link everything down below. Thank you so much to Tarot with Nina for sharing this with us. It is so fun. I am so excited to get to know it better. Thank you all for hanging out with me today. I would love to know what your thoughts are on this. Are you excited about it? Are you impressed with it? Is this something you never knew you needed like me? What are your thoughts? Let me know. If you've made it this far, drop a rabbit in the rabbit emoji in the comment section to let me know you have. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.